So guys, recently I started reading this book, The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone, and it's been teaching me some valuable lessons that I've already started applying. Honestly, it's making a big difference in my own self-development, and I want to share my thoughts with you. And I'm going to give you free resources to take action yourself. These are resources that I'm using myself till this day and helped me getting ahead with my own goals. For years I was stuck in this endless cycle of writing down goals, but then forgetting about them. Each year I'd set new goals and then I barely achieved any, or even worse, I never looked back at them because I got carried away with life. And that's a real issue that I think many people can relate to. Even myself, till this day, I did the same thing, writing down goals over and over again, never achieving them, and got disappointed with the end result. But here's what's interesting. This book didn't tell me to write different goals. This book taught me to write goals if they are already achieved. So for example, I run a business with 1,000 FTEs. That would be a perfect example of something that has been achieved already. And more importantly, what I've been doing right now, I have this notepad here. It's just a carry-on where I write down all of my thoughts, all of my notes, but also every morning and evening I write the same goals in this book. Holding yourself accountable, making your thoughts be aware of the things that you want to achieve and the goals that you want to achieve. And doing that every morning and every evening is going to set you in the right mindset to even start your day working towards the goals that you want to achieve, but also sets the tone for going into sleep with the perfect mindset to get up in the morning and to start chasing those goals. With the first thing of the day, starting to write them down again. Now, goal setting is important, but staying organized and managing everything is just as important. So that's why I use a system that is keeping track of all of my personal and business inquiries. I mainly use Notion, a calendar and an email for this, but as my personal life and my businesses are growing, I have more emails, I have more calendars, I have more things to take care of, different platforms to take care of, and I sync everything with Zapier. Zapier is a great tool to integrate multiple platforms in one, so you add certain data to one platform and it's going to extract and push that into another platform, basically. This way I can track my appointments, emails and personal notes in one place. And to help you get started, I'm going to give away free documents that you can download straight from this video, or you can join my Small Steps Big Impact free community to talk with like-minded people and to share your own experiences, what you've learned along the way so far. Inside this Discord, I'll also be sharing how this method is going to work for me, and I'd love to hear your experience too. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are, if you have done already something like this, if you're writing down your goals, if you're following up on them. It would be really interesting for me to see what other people are thinking. Also, if you have any ideas that I should put in these videos, or if you want to dive in deeper to certain things that I'm using, like Notion, my calendar, maybe my full setup, please comment on this video below. Also, check out the Discord server, maybe it's something for you. If you want to get access to free resources, this would be the place to be, so let's make progress together. Okay guys, I'm going to do a quick review of the Notion template that I'm going to provide you. You can download it in the description down below of this video. Just to touch on a couple of things so it's going to make you easier to use this document later on. What is it? A goal tracker and daily action tracker. What are you going to do? You're going to list down every goal that you have and you're going to write them down as if they've already been happened. So for example, I have a healthy lifestyle. Perfect example. You can add a category or more if you even want to. You have a deadline and you can track progress once you have achieved that certain type of goal. Make sure to fill this why it's important. This is going to help you achieve your goals even faster and to know why you want to achieve that goal. Next up, daily task tracker. I suggest you to add 3 tasks a day. So for example, I've listed a new goal. I have a healthy lifestyle. I'm going to add a task join a fitness club. Due date also the 27th, because by then I want to live a healthier lifestyle. In progress, because I'm going to start to apply for a fitness group. Goal it supports healthy lifestyle. You can add a person if you are with more in this document, maybe your spouse. Priority, high. Task type, health. You also can add more if you want to. You can give it a description, attach a file, see if it's past due, and you can do a effort level. You're going to do fitness, so it's a large effort. Next up, reflections and adjustments. So weekly review, monthly review, those are both templates, so you can click them open. What you will see is a couple of questions and a date added to it. So you can, for example, do a review today. This is the weekly review, by the way. And you can do one at the 27th. So it's going to ask you a couple of questions. You can also add new questions if you want to, but these are the ones that I'm using right now. You can fill them in and make changes after all in your template, in your goal tracker template if needed. You also do that monthly. Once you have something that is different, just add a new goal or new thing, or you want to adjust goals or do something different, you can just change it right here. And you can do a review later on when it's back to the weekly and monthly review. Okay, next up, I also have a free community called Small Steps, Big Impact. It's a group of like-minded people where you can share your own experiences and maybe your own documents and your own things that you're using right now. This can be pretty valuable, not only for you, but also to enrich the community itself. If you have any interest, click this button, join here. It will take you to the sign up page of that Discord group. So that is it for the goal tracker and daily action tracker. If you have any further questions, please let them know in the comments. I will do my best to answer every question, so let's make progress together.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the